Hello and welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we are going to understand how you can automatically send creative emails to your leads with the help of an AI. So here on my screen, you can see a connection that I've built between my Google Ads, OpenAI and Gmail account. So basically my objective is whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through my Google Ads, then automatically using the details, AI should generate a creative email for my lead. And after generating a creative email, automatically it should be sent to my lead instantly on their Gmail account via Gmail. So now in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation by using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And also if you're planning to buy this amazing automation software for your own business to create some amazing automations, then you can use my special code that I've mentioned over here to make this purchase and you are going to get a special discount while making a purchase. And in the addition, let me recommend you the lifetime deal that currently Pabbly is offering at a very cost-effective price, which is going to unlock the amazing features of Pabbly Connect for your own business, that too for lifetime. So go and make a purchase using my special code to get this amazing automation for your own business. Alright, so now after signing in, you can see all the applications of Pabbly. And from here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the Access Now. And it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here, before moving forward, let me tell you about Pabbly Community. So Pabbly Community is a space where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly Community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly Community today. Alright, let's move back to the dashboard, and here to build a new connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button, and then here it is asking us to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options. One is new beta and the other one is classic. So beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button, and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says send creative emails to your leads automatically. And for the folder, I'm going to click on this drop down menu, and here you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select it as per your requirement. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to the dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So as you all know that we are receiving new leads through our Google Ads. So I'm going to select my trigger as Google Ads and my app event as new lead form entry. You can select the trigger application as per your lead generation application. Alright, so we're going to click on this connect. Here you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means here we're going to use this URL to connect our Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. So following the instructions given below, firstly I'm going to copy the URL, and here I've already logged in my Google Ads account. So this is my Google Ads account, and here I've already created a test campaign button under which I've created a test lead form. So for now, I'm going to set up a webhook inside our test lead form, but if you're running a live lead form, then you can connect your webhook inside that as well. Alright, so here I've already drafted my lead form with the business name as Digital Dynamics, and here you can see some required fields that I've already selected, such as first name, last name, email, phone number, and the company name. In the right side, you can see the preview of the form that I've created. And now here we are going to scroll it little down, and here you can see the option of lead delivery. You need to select it, and under this you can see the option of webhook integration. So as you all know that we are going to use webhook URL to integrate our Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. So it is asking us to add the webhook URL and the key. So for the webhook URL, we are going to add the URL that we have received in our Pabbly's workflow, and for the key I'm going to give the name as test. Alright, so now here after entering the required details, we are going to click on the send test data to receive some dummy response for all these fields to this webhook URL. That means on our Pabbly's workflow. So let's go and check it, and here you can see we have successfully received some dummy response where we have received the company name as company name. Here you can see a random phone number, random email address, last name value as last name, and the first name value as first name only. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead through Google Ads, then instantly I want to generate a creative personalized email for my lead via AI. So here I'm going to use my AI tool as OpenAI, but you can use it as Google Gemini or Perplexity AI as well. Alright, so for that we are going to select the action application as OpenAI and app event as ChatGPT. Then we are going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your OpenAI account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here it is asking us to add the token. So it says OpenAI uses API keys for authentication. Kindly visit your OpenAI API keys page to get the API key that you need to enter here. So we're going to click on this hyperlink available over here, and it is going to direct us to the API keys window of our OpenAI account. So here I easily got directed because here I was already logged in my OpenAI account in the same browser. Alright, so now after getting us to the API keys window, we are going to click on this create new secret key button. Then here we are going to give the name as new email. Then we are going to select a random project. Then we are going to create the secret key. So this is the API key that we have received. So we're going to copy it and we're going to add it over here. Make sure you're using an API token of a paid OpenAI account only. Alright, then we're going to click on this save. And you can see we are now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here for the AI model, we are going to select the model as GPT-5 from the drop down. You can select it as per your requirement. And then here it is asking us to add the prompt. So in this prompt field, I need to add a relevant prompt that I want to give to AI to generate a proper creative email for me. So here before adding the prompt, let me tell you that here I want to generate a HTML email so that I can send a creative email to my lead. So here I'm going to add the prompt accordingly. So let me add the prompt. Alright, so I have successfully added a relevant prompt for the AI where I've added some instructions and the detail as lead first name. So now here instead of entering the lead's first name manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that when you're going to receive a new lead through our Google Ads, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the first name, I'm going to map the first name of the lead that we have received. So this is the first name. So I'm going to map it over here. And now after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received a content generated, where we have received the entire HTML body content generated for the mail. So with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. So now after generating the mail body, we are going to send a mail to our lead instantly via Gmail. So for that, I'm going to add an action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Gmail and my app event as send email. Then we're going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection, and then here we are going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. Then I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And you can see we're now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here for the sender name, I'm going to add my brand name, that is Digital Dynamics. And then here you can see a sender email address has been updated automatically, so we're not going to change it. And for the recipient email address, we are going to map our leads email address over here. So this is our leads email address, but as you all know that this is a dummy email address, so I'm going to add another random address so that we can receive a mail over here. So this is a random address that I've added over here. And then here the CC, BCC and reply to are not required ones, so we're going to leave them blank. Here for the email subject, I'm going to enter the subject as great to connect with you. So this is our email subject. And for the email content, we are going to map the content generated by OpenAI. So this is a personalized mail that the AI has generated for us, that too in a HTML body. So now here you can also learn how you can create an HTML email by clicking on this hyperlink available over here, and it is going to direct you to a tutorial video for the same. Now for the content type, we are going to select it as HTML, and here these fields are not required ones, so we're going to leave them blank. Now here after entering all the required details, we're going to click on this save and send test request, and here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent a mail to our lead, that too creative and personalized. So now let me show you the mail that our lead has received. Alright, so this is the mail that our lead has received with the email subject as great to connect with you, and this is a personalized creative mail that we have generated via OpenAI. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected a trigger as Google Ads and action as OpenAI and Gmail, so that when you're going to receive a new lead through Google Ads, then automatically using the details, OpenAI is going to generate the creative and a personalized email for your lead, and then automatically that mail will be sent to your lead via Gmail instantly. Alright, so these were the steps to how to send creative emails to your leads automatically. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also make sure to add my discount code that is available in the description box below while making a purchase for your Pabbly Connect's lifetime plan. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.